For most of the Lincoln welding hoods, you need this battery, the CR2450 3-volt. I'll put a link in the description. So the first step to changing the batteries on these hoods is to click these tabs in to remove the cartridge. You then need to take the outer shell off to get access to the battery. My helmet was dying intermittently, so it still kind of worked, but it was hurting my eyes when it didn't fire. Slide the batteries out from the bottom cartridge. Mine has 2, but some other hoods have 1. So replace the batteries with the new ones that you bought from wherever. Test that it works and snap it back into its housing. Slide it back into your hood. Click the tabs out to hold it in place, and you're back in business. That's a quick and dirty tip. Thank you.